In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam pausing downloads. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, you need to restart your Steam. So, click with your right button on your taskbar and click on your task manager. In my case, it is on Portuguese, but it's the same process. You just need to find Steam right here and end all tasks of Steam from here. So, after doing this, you come to your Windows search bar, search for Steam, click with your right button, and run Steam as administrator. Then you will come again to your Steam, click at the top left corner on Steam, and come to settings below backup and restore games. So click on settings, and here you will see several options. The option that interests us is this one, downloads. Come to downloads below library, and here you need to change your download region. Okay, so try to use another download region. Here you can also turn on this option, allow downloads during gameplay, and turn off this option, only auto-update games between this time. So turn off this option, turn on this one, and click on OK. If this doesn't work, you need to check Steam's server status, okay? So if Steam is updated the platform, generally occurs on Thursdays. You need to wait until Steam goes online. And obviously, you need to check your internet connection. If all this doesn't work, you need to restart your computer and your internet. I hope I helped you on how to fix Steam pausing downloads. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.